What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper that you do have in here on your Apple Watch. I'm going to show you how to quickly do that, and I do have my iPhone because of course we're going to need our iPhone to help us doing this. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I do upload a lot of tech tutorials and hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here by tapping on that subscribe button and like the video. It really helps me out. Jumping straight into today's tutorial in here, for example, let's say that I do have this picture right here of my cat that I wish to add here to my Apple Watch main home screen or wallpaper. Now let's see how we can actually do this. I'm gonna close my photos library and then I'm gonna open the Watch app in here. This is the Watch app from where you can actually manage your Apple Watch. For example, in here you can change your watch face. I can tap on this one, for example, set as current face, and this will change immediately. It's actually something that takes a few seconds. It's really quick. I'm gonna go back to this one. There we go. Now we want to customize it because we're tired of this main default watch faces. We want to add a custom face, and you can also download custom faces also from the internet. If you like, for example, a Rolex a watch face or anything like that, you can download it from the internet as well and then link it here with your Apple Watch. Now how does this go? We're gonna close our watch real quick. We're gonna hop into photos. Here is my cat. I'm gonna tap on share real quick. Next up, I'm gonna scroll down and simply tap here on create watch face. Tap on create watch face, and then it's gonna ask how it's gonna look like. It's gonna show you in just a few seconds. This is how it goes. My cat looking at me, and then you can change the color here of that specific image if you want to customize it further. I really don't like changing the color. It's just a really bad filter being added on top of your beautiful picture. Next up, the next thing I'm gonna do is simply select the position of the time, if it's the top or bottom. I usually prefer the bottom. And then we do have complications like today's date or your schedule or alarm or battery, anything like that. Where do you want to keep it? Okay, so above time or anything like that. We do have below time as well. You can add, for example, something like heart rate, okay, here at the bottom, and it becomes something that looks like this. Next up, simply tap on add to add it here to your Apple Watch, and in no time, boom, here we go. My Apple Watch face has now changed, and this is how it looks like with my custom photo in here of my cat. This is how easy you can actually change your wallpaper here on your Apple Watch in just a couple of seconds and start taking advantage of this feature to customize your Apple Watch much further. If you wish to get more content like this related to your Apple Watch, to your iPad, MacBooks, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.